Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Notes Plus and creating a new notebook. Pick a page size and orientation so layout matches your work. Next, tap the pen tools. Choose ink style, color, and 0. 5 or thicker tip, and make sure palm rejection is on to avoid stray marks. Finally, import reference files, PDFs or images, using the plus menu so you can annotate them in place, which speeds workflow and keeps everything in one document. Once your page is ready, work in layers. Keep sketches on one layer and text on another, and lock layers when done to avoid accidental edits. Use the lasso tool to select handwriting, move, resize, or convert it to typed text for cleaner notes. Make sure to organize. Add tags, reorder page thumbnails, and split or merge pages to keep sections together. This reduces search time and keeps long projects manageable. To finish, export your work as PDF, image, or the app format. Pick the page range and quality that matches your sharing needs. Then sync to cloud storage, iCloud, or Dropbox, and turn on auto backup so you never lose edits. If something goes wrong, like a failed sync, force close the app, check your network and cloud credentials, and immediately export a local backup. That local copy keeps you safe while you troubleshoot settings or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.